Good morning everyone, today I'm going to bring you my first ever Moonwatch. You might know the Omega Moonwatch, the one that was taken to the moon, funny enough. But that design has now sort of gone into so many sort of designs, replica designs, homage designs, quartz homages as well. There's so many different designs now and inspirations, and the exact same watch is appearing now across multiple different brands. It seems to be a very, very popular image, and this is what we've got today. We've got the Bulova Moonwatch here today. So let's get on to it, shall we? So initial look at the box. We've got a simple lift-off lid style Bulova fashion cardboard outlay here, just to cover up the overall inside of that box really nicely. There, obviously, you can see bits of this box where I first initially unboxed it was packed full of stuff, so it's got a bit like Jack in the Box trying to take it off. Right, let's go. I do like the boxes that have the little slider, so you can just slide it out. Nice bit of cushion inside, just to add a bit of compactness. Slide that out like so, and get rid of that. Usually just chuck it on the floor. The lid's not quite shut down because of all the stuff that's inside it. But looking around the box, we've got a nice smooth-edged, simple lift, like folding lid fashion style box. The box itself feels quite heavy because there's lots of stuff inside it. Overall, it's a very, very nice style box. So inside, you can see we've got lots of little bits going on here. We've even got an adjustment tool as well. Let's put that back in a side slot. Got our full authenticity certificate as well. Just punch my camera. And fully interchangeable straps as well for this style watch. Got a nice sort of leather, well it's not leather, John, fabric style strap. But what we're really here for is the actual watch. A unique style shaped cushion there. I often see that sort of triangular shape. So let's close this box down for a second. Put that to one side. So here we go, guys. This is the Bulova Lunar Pilot 45mm. So, just a little bit about the watch before we move on to the dial. We've got a 40mm case thickness, has obviously a date dial as well as all the other stuff. We've got a retail price of £400. You might be able to get it a little bit cheaper elsewhere. It operates on a quartz movement, and the quartz operates on a 262 kHz style accuracy. So moving on to the main dial. As you see, we've got a lot of black and white going on here. Very, very common design for this style watch. Very, very common across, well, Omega was the first one to do it, I believe, wasn't it? So we've got fully luminous hands, fully luminous increments, and fully luminous chronograph function going on there as well. So this is, well, obviously the main design for this watch was inspired by the watch worn during the Apollo 15 flight to the moon landing, part of that in the 1971. We've got a full tachymeter going on as well. Usually, sometimes the tachymeter is on the outside on the bezel, but this one's actually inside the face here. So we've got hyper allergenic stainless steel casing as well. Come on to the bezel. We've got a full mirror finish style bezel going on here. The bezel itself sits just off that casing there. It doesn't actually rotate or anything, just sits as a metal ring around the face there. I wish it came a little bit higher just to cover that sapphire glass up a bit more. take that out, we can have a look at the movement. A very, very strong movement to the actual movement of moving those hands around the face. You've got a double ticking mechanism going on here to that 262 kilohertz quartz movement. You can see here it's got a double ticking movement there, making it ultra accurate. Let's have a look at the date dial, how that turns. A very, very nice secure date dial turning there. Come around to the back. You can see you've got that full Apollo 15 full print going on there with the name of the astronaut as well. With a bit more information about the watch as well, the sapphire crystal glass. You've got a 50-meter water resistance as well with this watch. Would have thought it'd be more, just with the style, with the quality of it. Come down to the strap, you've got a full nylon strap that offers a 20mm width, a unique Bulova style strap with a nice press to it as well. It feels like a decent quality. Coming down to the windows, you've got a thin window system that allows for play over time. So if you were to wear this slightly tight, it would stretch over time eventually. Got a thinner style clasp that you compared to sort of the other style watches that you might see. Most of them have like a nice thick lip to this clasp component here, and a nice strong movement to the hinge. So let's put this on the wrist and see how it goes. So there we go, guys, that is the Bulova Lunar Pilot.